For many companies, Industry 4.0 is still a vision of the future. But for us, it is already a reality today. Thanks to our newest innovation, QONDAC Networks. With it, we're now able to connect all of our sewing machines via their network modules and control them remotely. This gives the user crucial advantages. With the acquired data, we can, for example, identify shortcomings in real time and determine potential for improvement. If a machine needs to undergo maintenance or does not operate optimally, the system makes a proactive report, so the production manager can react immediately. QONDAC Networks knows, for example, the exact number of stitches a machine has already made and how many the needle can still do. Production stops can thus be avoided with efficient and preemptive management. And not only that, maintenance work can be primed remotely or completed and organized digitally without having to be present on site. In other words, service technicians can target tasks precisely. Problems are solved more quickly, and traveling is optimized. Of course, this saves time and money. Sound good? Then come talk to us. With QONDAC Network Systems, you are best prepared for the future.